Welcome. In this course, you're going to be learning how to create an RPG game in Unity 6, which is the latest version of the engine. Your player can move around and also attack the enemies with two different weapons: a short range attack and a long range attack. Enemies will have same abilities, making for engaging combat. To enhance the game feel, we're going to be adding trails, particles, lighting, volume effects. This is going to make our game look both professional and polished. Who is this course for? You don't need any kind of previous experience. We'll start off from the very basics of Unity and C# and gradually dive into more advanced concepts such as events, inheritance, abstract classes and functions, managers, singletons, generics, and much more. The idea of the course is that basically if you are a beginner, you are able to go from beginner to some kind of intermediate developer. And if you do think that you are an intermediate developer, I'm sure that still you're going to be learning lots of new concepts. Because do you know all the stuff that I mentioned a second ago? And trust me, all these things have really helped me in my game development journey to develop better games in less time. Who am I? I am Marco Paoletta, a Unity game developer and content creator with 4 years plus of experience. I work with Voodoo, one of the biggest mobile game development companies, as an external studio. So this is actually a company that is the creator of, as you can see, lots of games. And as you can see, they are super huge. They have over 7 million downloads, lots of monthly active users, etc. Besides that, I also have a successful YouTube game development channel with more than 10,000 subscribers and more than 700 videos. And in lots of these videos, I actually also teach people how to create games. If you go to a playlist, here you're going to be able to find lots of things related to this. For example, Godot full courses. Once again, here, lots of content here for free for you to watch. And also lots of tutorials over here as well. And also talking about teaching, I've been a course instructor, okay? And I've created, as you can see, 10 Godot courses, okay? 25 hours of content. So here you have 10 courses that I created for Zenba and 7 Game Maker courses. And well, if you don't know, Zenba is one of the biggest game development and programming courses platform, where it has more than 300 courses already. It has more than 1 million learners. So once again, here this is a platform where only amazing courses have been published. So in this course, I've put together my two main skills, which are game development and teaching. So I'm sure that you're going to be enjoying this course a lot, and at the same time you're going to be learning lots of new concepts. I know how to make a course intuitive. I know how to make a course that is easy to follow. You have seen it in my previous experiences, so enroll right now and I will see you there.